Welcome to Bangkok Chrome Stairwell at Marque Sukhumvit 39. Here we are. See the river view and the BTS just right here. Here we are on 42th floor and very big living area and dining area with private jacuzzi and this panoramic view with east facing, so it's very perfect sunset or even morning coffee. Here's the kitchen and the pantry with very high quality of furniture. Also the bedroom is separate with a laundry area and another kitchen. Let me show you the dream girl closet. I mean, if you buy this unit, you will get all of this. Look, very high ceiling, so you can put all shoes, clothes, bag, everything. So I'm very happy to see this, and I think you would be happy to have this too. Come to the master bedroom. Well, you will get all this area with this view. Not just that. Look at the bathroom. Very fancy. I love it so much. The design, the decoration, and the bathtub, the rain shower. I can obviously stay here all day. Oh, it's just another private jacuzzi. So you can have a nice bath time. Very happy. As a gift for your lovely husband, he can have another small wardrobe. But less than us.
Okay.
Alright, let me talk more about this. I love it so much. Here you can put your watch, your jewelry, your high-end jewelry, anything, your clothes, your coat, your dress, shoes and bag. I mean, everything, every limited edition collection will be here. And then you have very huge mirror for your makeup. So all we know, it's very happy time for girls. So you see how big of the living area here. Also, when you open the window, it's very panoramic view. It's very nice. And then we come to the second bedroom. It's the wardrobe. You can still see the amazing view from here, and that's river view. Here's the second bedroom, very nice, clean, with the view again. Let's go to the balcony, which is the main attraction of this unit. You got the panoramic views. See the city, see the river with your private jacuzzi on the 42th floor. I mean, what could I ask more? This is a very private unit with the private entrance and elevator.